So we have two division problems here, 653 divided by 8 and 469 divided by 7. So let's set out the first one here in a way that we can actually start to solve it. So 653, and we're going to divide that by 8. Now you can see when I write out the digits of the larger number, the dividend here, the 653, I spread the digits out because I know that in my working I'm going to need to carry numbers. So here's what we need to do. We're going to give our remainders as fractions. Okay, so let's have a go at this. We have 8 into 6. Now that can't happen, so that's a 0. So the next question I ask is 8. I haven't finished with the 6. So the next question I ask is how many 8s go into 65? Now that's 8. I put the 8 above the 5. And there's one remainder, so that goes in front of the next digit. So now my next question is how many 8s go into 13, right? So how many 8s go into 13? Well, that's once. And how many are left over? That would be 5. So the remainder would be 5, right? I put the 5 as a fraction over the divisor. So that's 5/8. And you don't have this little symbol here, remainder. So the answer, the final answer, you might want to rewrite it. You don't have to though, that's fine. Up there, 0, 8, 1, and 5/8. But the final answer is 81 and 5/8. And that's the final answer. This one over here, let's have a crack at this one. So it's 4, 6, 9. I'm even spreading them out even more. Don't have to do it that far. And divided by 7. So let's have a look. 7 into 4. Well, that can't happen. So that's a 0. So I haven't finished with the 4. I go 7 into 46. Now that's 6. And 7 6s are 42. Right? So that gives me 4 left over. So finish with these guys now. 7 into 49. That's 7. And 0 remainder. So the final answer is 67.